logistics. Very good. How are you? Thanks. Not a meeting that we want to go down to the issue, AMISOM. Of course, we want to also congratulate you for being nominated or appointed. It is very prestigious task of being SRCC of the AMISOM. Welcome again on behalf of the AMISOM in total, on behalf of the senior delegation who are here. Let me really welcome you and ask you to feel at home.
You're welcome to Mogadishu. Really, this Mogadishu is changing very fast. You will find that the camp is rapidly changing and you're almost losing all the green. That illustrates the peace that has been ushered in. Likewise, in town, there is a lot of construction, an indication that almost all seems to be well. A lot of work has been done, but there's still a lot more work to be done to make sure there is total peace. I think the team you have found will be ready to work with you. And likewise on the diplomatic corps, we will share with you and update you what's happening.
The reports I've been getting after AMISOM came here are simply amazing. Our countries, the troop contributing countries, have in an unreserved manner deployed their best sons and daughters into this country to try to stabilize the place and give Somalia space and conditions to return to a situation of normalcy that can allow this country to exist as a strong, independent state. You are bringing our continent to a place and to the height that had been had. Your predecessors, our forefathers, did exactly the same sacrifices, and the African Union was able to remove from this continent the colonialists. Now, it's your turn, and you are, in a very effective manner, working to ensure that the forces of destabilization, the forces of destruction, the forces of division are silenced, are stopped, and a new Somalia, a strong Somalia, a Somalia which will be in a position to play its part in the concept of nations emerges.